despite the fact that Samsung's next S series flagships are still about 6 months away, the amount of information that has already leaked about the lineup gives the impression that they will be here soon. The South Korean electronics giant is hoping to build on its successful year in order to launch the S26 series in 2026. But this time around, the series will appear a little different. It is almost certain that the base and Plus models will be replaced by a Pro and Edge variant in the S26 series. The Extreme variant, the company's crown jewel, will remain in place. According to what we currently know, the flagship model will continue to hold its prominent place in the lineup, showcasing the dependable 200-megapixel primary rear camera with a wider aperture, 60-watt quick charging, and possibly an even larger screen. Now, a fresh leak from a trustworthy source is revealing a substantial RAM increase that is anticipated to appear in the next model and could enable remarkable data transfer rates. In April of last year, for instance, Samsung released the quickest 10.7 GB per LPDDR5X RAM for mobile devices in the business. The RAM would go into mass production in the second half of the year, according to the South Korean tech titan at the time. The LPDDR5X RAM of the later Galaxy S25 Ultra is rated at 8.5 GB per second rather than 10.7 GB per second. According to reliable industry leaker Ice Universe on X, this implies that the S26 Ultra might be the first Samsung phone to use the new technology. In comparison to its predecessor, the RAM might unlock up to 25% faster data processing. To put that into context, the Galaxy S26 is positioned to provide both raw performance and improved power efficiency when combined with the rumored Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 CPU, particularly for on-device AI activities. Are you anticipating greater deals on this year's S25 series, or are you thrilled about the redesigned S26 line? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.